Want to see some new fabrics from Morex Fabrics? Stay tuned. I'm Crystal of Crystalsewsandstuff.com. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am back to share with you some fabrics that I received from Morex Fabrics. Now this is a new to me fabric company, and they reached out to me recently and asked if I wanted to check out some of their fabrics. And so they sent me these fabrics, and today I wanted to unbox them for you. So now let's get into the unboxing. So here's the package right here. It came in a nice FedEx bag. It came fairly quickly once they told me that they had the items available to me. So it came in like 2 days or something like that. So this is the package in a nice FedEx packaging. And so there were two FedEx bags, and they were taped together. And each bag also has an inner bag inside. With that's in a nice clear, like long Ziploc bag. So I like that to keep it protected from water damage. And so looks like they sent me 4 fabrics. So first fabric that I wanted to share with you is this beautiful French terry. So this is a charcoal French terry. And it is such a pretty animal print. It is like a charcoal gray and black cheetah print on a beige background, and it is a nice French terry, and it is very soft on the inside. So really nice. And so this will make a really cute knit dress or sweatshirt or a really cute cardi for the fall. So I really like this charcoal terry fabric with this lovely cheetah print. This is beautiful. So the next fabric is called Rayon Jacquard Crinkle in Asphalt Gray, and it is this beautiful gauzy kind of rayon fabric, and it has it's a charcoal gray, and it has like some squarish designs in it with this nice speckled white fabric, white dots on it, kind of irregular dots. It's really pretty, and it's very soft and lightweight. So I could see myself making a cute dress or a nice top with this lovely gray fabric, and it's really lightweight, so it could work for all seasons. So I really like this Rayon Crinkle fabric. Again, it's called Rayon Jacquard Crinkle in Asphalt Gray. So really pretty gray, and I do like the design on it. So you could wear this with some gray jeans or even black jeans, and it's really cute. I like this fabric, and I like the weight of it. So the next fabric is this beautiful yellow crinkle rayon fabric, and it is such a beautiful mustard color. It is so pretty, and the name of this fabric is Rayon Crinkle in Mustard, and I have 3 yards of this. I believe I have 3 yards of everything, and this one is such a pretty mustard yellow color, just really pretty with these kind of tie-dye, like kind of stamped on. Well, they're not stamped on, but it gives you that look of almost tie-dye look of these beautiful white flowers on it. I really like this print. So this will be cute for a nice summer dress. And then the final fabric that they sent to me is called Rayon Crinkle in Red, and I have 3 yards of this. And this is a really pretty design. It has kind of like a faux kind of braided look to it. So if you look at the design very carefully, it's really pretty. And it is another lightweight rayon crinkle fabric. It just, I mean, it's not really crinkle, but it just has like a little texture to it. And this is a lovely, lovely print. and it's in rayon. Again, I have 3 yards of that, and this would make a really cute top or dress as well. And I could play around with the stripe direction with this. So I really like the look of this Rayon Crinkle fabric. It's beautiful. And so those are the 4 fabrics that I wanted to share with you today. They are so lovely, and I can't wait to get started on some of these. I definitely probably want to make a cardigan with the French terry, and the other 3 either a dress or a really lovely top. So I think they're all lovely prints, and I can't wait to get started on them. Let me know if you have any pattern suggestions for any of these fabrics. I think these are all lovely, and they can all transition pretty well from summer into fall. So I like these nice colors. So I chose 3, and they sent me this one as a bonus. So I really like all of these patterns, these fabrics from Morex, and I can't wait to get started. But if you have any ideas, just let me know in the comment section, and also let me know which one you like the best. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you're all doing well, and until next time, take care. Bye.